Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can set your notes on Evernote to public. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your account on Evernote and log into it, and here to the left you will see that Notes tab. Click into it. After that you will see the list of all notes within your account. So you may change the visibility status from for example private to public by clicking into these share here, and after that simply select or click into that restricted button and select anyone with the link can edit or anyone with the link can view, depending on your preferences. If you'd like to give the invited user, for example, the opportunity to edit also the note, and that's it. After that, don't forget to either send the invitation via email to the invited person or to copy link here so that you may copy the shareable invitation link to that note to your clipboard, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.